that induces mania. Our objective here is not to study the epidemiology of mental disorder, but to try to put into perspective this sort of misconception, this misapprehension or this misconstrued nature neurotypical individuals have of individuals who are perceived as abnormal, which is not really the case. We're going to explore 10 areas. We're going to take a philosophical approach. From a philosophical perspective, we're going to explore areas like existentialism, epistemology, ontology, metaphysics, phenomenology. We're going to explore ideas like solipsism, intersubjectivity, phenomenology. In fact, let's just get into it specifically. Before I get into these details, there's some things I need to clarify and put into perspective right now. This lecture is centered around a self-referential and empirical analysis only. I would like to reiterate. It is centered around a self-referential and empirical analysis only, which is based on subjective experience. This is not inferential, and this is not centered around any sort of theoretical analysis. Again, I repeat, it is self-referential and empirical analysis only. When bipolar goes into manic episode, two cases we are going to focus on primarily here is manic episodes and hypomania, because these are the two cases where you have polar extremities in mood fluctuation, from elation to dysphoria, right, that ascends right back up to euphoria. During manic episode, bipolar cases transcend into 5 emotional states. One is impulsivity, the other is distractibility, the third is disinhibition, the fourth is grandiosity, and the fifth one is pathological compulsion. You have impulsivity, you have distractibility, you have disinhibition, you have grandiosity, and you have pathological compulsion. Let's explain these 5 emotional phenomena that occurs during grandiosity. Impulsivity is an instantaneous reaction or decision making made without any sort of foreknowledge. Impulsivity and intuition are often used interchangeably and